Hi folks, Chris Machold here with Keller Williams Realty Maui Big Island Division and the Hawaii team. It's Sunday, we're going to go to the beach, so we thought we'd invite you along to check it out. Today we're going to go to a beach down at the Mauna Lani Resort. A lot of folks think that the beaches in front of the resorts are private or they can't go there, but all the beaches are public in Hawaii, so keep that in mind. If you just go to the guard gate at the resort and tell them you're going to the public beach, they'll give you a pass or give you directions where to park and you can go enjoy it. A couple things to remember. Always be careful in the shore break. It can be very dangerous if you have big waves. You'll see green sea turtles and you'll see the rare Hawaiian monk seals occasionally. These are endangered species, so don't go too close to them. You can take pictures, but keep your distance, very important. Now we're going to go check it out. After almost a 10-minute walk, we are almost there. This path meanders along one of the other condominium complexes here at the Mauna Lani Beach Resort. Reach out to the Hawaii team to learn more. This is one of the ancient Hawaiian rock carvings called a petroglyph that you might see along the way. Straight ahead to the right, some more the condominiums, and to the left is the Auberge Hotel. A beautiful day on the Kona coast. Just off the path, you can see the Mauna Lani Golf Clubhouse. Mauna Lani's golf program is managed by Troon Golf. And finally, we've reached our destination. Time to kick back, open a cold beverage, have a little lunch, and enjoy the fruits of our labors. Thanks for joining us today. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed your day at the beach at Mauna Lani Resort. Very relaxing, beautiful place. Keep in mind, if you or anyone you know has real estate to sell or buy here on the Big Island, you can reach us at the phone number on your screen or at thehawaiiteam.com. Have a great day.